In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Gmail inbox efficiently by making emails automatically go to a specific folder. This feature is incredibly handy if you want to keep your inbox tidy and ensure important messages are never missed. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're logged in, find the gear icon that represents settings in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the full settings page for your Gmail account, offering numerous ways to customize your email experience. Next, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab within the settings. This is where you can manage existing filters and create new ones. Creating a filter in Gmail allows you to automate certain tasks, like moving incoming messages to specific folders, also known as labels in Gmail. Once you're in this tab, look for the Create a New Filter link and click it. In the first field, you'll see various options to specify what criteria an incoming email should meet to trigger your filter. You can filter by sender email, subject, keywords, and more. For example, if there's a newsletter or certain emails you always like to keep organized, enter these details into the relevant fields. After setting the criteria, click on Create Filter, which brings you to the Action page. Now, select Apply the label and choose an existing label or create a new one by clicking New Label. A pop-up will prompt you to name your new label. This is essentially a folder where these emails will be stored. Be sure the naming is intuitive, as it will help keep your email organized. In addition to applying the label, Gmail offers you the option to skip the inbox altogether, mark as read, or even forward it to another email. Tailor this based on your needs. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click Create Filter to finalize. To ensure your filter is working correctly, go back to your inbox and find a recent email that should match your filter criteria. If everything is set up properly, new incoming emails that meet your specifications should automatically move to the chosen folder. Juggling multiple tasks is challenging enough without an overflowing inbox. With this simple organization method, you'll have better control over your email and minimize stress. If you need to edit or delete a filter later, just return to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab in Settings, and you'll see a list of all the filters you've created. And there you have it. A straightforward way to organize your Gmail inbox by automatically directing emails to specific folders. Let this organizational strategy make your digital life a little easier and more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further tips.